Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener. So let's explore its specifications and features. So let's start with the design. It combines modern aesthetics with practical functionality, making it an ideal addition to your smart home setup. Now its specifications. The Meross Smart Garage Door Opener is designed to seamlessly integrate with most garage door openers, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. Now its smartphone app integration. Enhancing its functionality, the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener can be seamlessly controlled through the Meross smartphone app. Whether you are at home or away, it manages your garage door remotely with precision, ensuring security and ease of access. Now its durability. The Meross Smart Garage Door Opener is built for durability. Designed to withstand various environmental conditions, it ensures reliable performance over time, making it a long lasting solution for your garage. Now, the smart home integration. For those who embracing smart home technology, the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener integrates seamlessly with popular systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Enjoy effortless control through voice command are integrated into your existing smart home routines. Now its installation and setup. Installing the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener is straightforward with included hardware and user-friendly instructions. It's designed for easy setup and operation, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.